You spoke about, did you say speculative design?
Yeah.
Can you explain what that is? That's the first time I'm hearing this.
Oh, so it's like very hard job to explain like these design disciplines, but it's this design discipline which is primarily focused on designing for the future. And there are lots of like keywords within that, like design fiction, which is one of the ways you can do it, which is you're creating fiction around a specific object or specific reality or specific world. Or critical design, which is again like speculative design is also critical design in the sense that it makes you question your own assumptions and reality. And you look at design with a critical eye. It's not just for like made for industry or mass consumption.
All right, that's pretty cool actually.
You just saw a snippet from whiteboard.fm. You can watch the entire episode by clicking on the link in description. We have hundreds of clips on design case studies, hiring processes, and much more. This podcast is a part of the 10K Designers Network. Check out our website whiteboard.fm to learn more.